Hi everyone and welcome to this course on disconnected OpenShift installation. OpenShift is a powerful enterprise-grade Kubernetes platform, but installing in a disconnected or a air-gapped environment is one of the most critical and advanced tasks in real-world IT infrastructure. In this course, we will break down this complex setup step by step so you can confidently deploy OpenShift even in environments with no internet access. Whether you are working in banking, telecom, defense, or any high security environment, mastering disconnected OpenShift installation is a game-changing skill. By the end of this course, you will be able to set up a mirror registry with SSL, learn how to build a secure local registry and enable trusted SSL access, use OC mirror v1 and v2 to mirror operators, understand how to sync OpenShift release and operator catalogs using both versions, create install config and manifests, generate accurate install config.yaml file and prepare manifests for disconnected installation, configure DNS, HA proxy and web server, set up internal DNS, a local load balancer and a web server to serve install files locally. Now let's look at the next slide, which covers second part of the course. Perform the actual installation, execute a full UPI-based OpenShift install with no internet dependency, configure catalog, sources post-installations, enable operator lifecycle management by setting up custom catalog sources, patch, validate, and troubleshoot your cluster, apply updates, verify your setup, and fix real-world issues in your disconnected cluster. So that was just an overview of the course. If you want us to upload the next video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.